Hey, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I wanted to touch on something that is very important for voiceover. As you know, there are dozens of different voiceover sites or freelance marketplace sites, and some of them will dictate what your rates are, and some of them you dictate what your rates are. It's important to keep in mind that across all of these platforms where you can dictate your rates, to keep them uniform, because if someone finds you on Upwork, um, for example, and they're not quite sure how it works or whatever the case may be, maybe they want to work with you directly and not through a freelance marketplace site, and they search for your name and they find you and they reach out to you and they say, "Hey, I have this project that I want you to do, and I'd like to get a quote from you." And so you say, "Okay, great. Send me your script, send me your requirements for this job, if you need background music, that sort of thing." And they send you all the information, you send them a quote, and then they come back and hit you with, "Why is it this much? Because you're charging this much on Upwork. And then, by the way, I found you on Fiverr, and then you're charging this much on Fiverr. Why are the rates so different?" That is a situation that you do not want to find yourself in. So, if you can, what I suggest is to take some time and determine your rate card. Open your Word document or your Excel spreadsheet if you have one, and take the time to write in how much you're going to charge for audiobooks, how much you're going to charge per word or per minute of e-learning, or how much you're going to charge per word or per minute for telephony, IVR phone messaging, video games, whatever it is. Think of all of the things that you do as a voice actor or want to do as a voice actor, and take the time and write them all out with rates, including music, not including music, including commercial rights, including an ad for full broadcast rights. Have a rate card available. And then once you're happy with it, save it to your desktop and make it available for your clients. If someone reaches out to you via email or on social media, something like that, and they say, "Hey, how much do you charge for, I need a YouTube ad done. Can you record one for me? Here's the word count. This is what I need. How much do you charge for that?" And that way you're not kind of going, I don't know what to charge. I don't know, should I charge, should I go on to GVAA and figure out the rate, or should I just guess? God, no, don't guess. Have a rate card. Have something that you can reference quickly or send to a client so they have an idea of what you charge and what, maybe explaining what commercial rights are, full broadcast rights are. And if you don't know, commercial rights are needed for use of your audio on any non paid marketing channels, like if they want to put your audio on their web page, their business web page, on their social media, um, anything of that nature, YouTube. And this is for promotion of their business, product, service, anything business related. And then full broadcast rights would be anything that you send them audio wise to promote their business, product, or service on paid marketing channels, which is, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, any kind of paid advertising, advertisement channels that would need full broadcast rights. So make sure that your rate card includes those, something that you can easily reference if someone asks you a question, and make sure that you use that same formula for rates across all of your profiles on all your marketplaces, because you do not want that customer to come to you with your dream job and say, "Well, you charge less on Fiverr or you charge less on Upwork. What are you trying to scam me?" and then you lose that customer. You definitely don't want to represent yourself in that light. So keep that in mind when you're filling out your profiles and you're setting your rates for all of these different sites. Make sure that they are uniform. Make sure that they make sense and they are what you feel you are worth. Don't set them way too low. I mean, I can't say that I haven't when I first started out. Of course, I had lower rates when I started because, to be honest, I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. So, but as you go on and you gain that experience and you're more confident with what you can do and you have the demos and the clients to back you up, start raising your rates. You know, don't underestimate yourself, but I get it in the beginning if you want to have a little bit lower rates, but you don't want to undervalue the voice actor as a industry as a whole. You want to not make them so low that it kind of sets the standard for others, if that makes sense. Definitely do some research, look at what other voice actors are charging and what they're charging for, i.e., if it's e-learning or if it's, you know, audiobooks or video game characters, that sort of thing, and get a good idea of what, the average rates are, and then pick something that you're comfortable with and that makes sense. That will only help you and your business to be more credible, and the clients can feel more comfortable with working with you if you have rates that are the same across the board. They don't feel like they're being scammed or taken advantage of or anything like that. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video and it helped you out, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. I still can't believe how many of you subscribe and appreciate the videos that I make for you. So thank you very much for that. But if you have any comments, leave them down below. Send me an email. I always love hearing from you guys. You guys have the best questions. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.